Hello everyone. This is Vijay Bhaskar, who is working as a lecturer in one of the colleges in the Bangalore in the computer science department. Today I am here to discuss regarding the digital fluency subject, which is introduced as a part of NEP syllabus for Bcom BBA, BSc or BCA syllabus. So here many of us having some confusions what to teach, how to teach the contents, and how to maintain the records, what are the practical assignments, and what is the duration of this course, and how to make the students to understand the subjects in this topic. So all these confusions are there. So I am creating this video in order to resolve some of the problems which are facing by all the students and teachers. So let us go through the Word document what I have created after studying the digital fluency PDF. We'll go through that. So here the PDF, whatever they shared with all the colleges, that is called as Course Companion Instructor Guide. It is a digital fluency PDF they shared with all the colleges. So when we go through that Course Companion Guide, so it is nothing but they have introduced this the contents of this course from the digital 101 module, which is present in the Skills Prime platform, Future Skills Prime platform of NASCOM website. So what is the course contents we are studying here? That all these course contents they have taken from digital 101 module, which is there in the Future Skills Prime platform of NASCOM. So when we go through the table of contents here, we'll find the syllabus of the digital fluency, which is taken from the digital 101, and regarding Future Skills Prime and digital 101 courses. And the third thing is module 1, module 2, and module 3. Here the entire syllabus is divided into 3 modules: module 1, module 2, and module 3. So this combination of these 3 modules is called as digital 101 course. Digital 101 course, which is in turn present in Future Skills Prime platform. Whenever we want to go through this module 1, module 2, module 3, so what we need to do, we need to register in the Future Skills Prime platform of NASCOM. So we need to register in this website. What is the website name here? Future Skills Prime platform. In that website, we need each and every student and the faculty member has to register in this website in order to go through the module 1, module 2, and module 3. So so that is one of the important thing we need to remember, that we have to register in this website, Future Skills Prime platform. In the coming pages, I'll give you the website address so that you can copy and paste that website address in URL. So in the Google search, Google engine, so you can go to that website and you can register. And I'll give the steps also how to register in this Future Skills Prime platform. As of now, just to go through what are the contents in the this digital fluency. Okay. So now let us discuss what are the number of hours they allotted. 15 hours for theory and 30 hours for practicals. And the subject name is digital fluency and course credits 2. Okay, and we have 2 types of assessments here. That is formative assessment and summative assessment. Formative assessment is nothing but totally it is depending on the practicals. Totally it is depending on the practicals, and after completing the practical assignments, they have to attend some tests which they have given in the Future Skills Prime platform. So if they do the practicals correctly and they maintain records correctly, and if they attend all the tests or exams, online exams which they are conducting in the website, they will get the 40 marks. They'll get the 40 marks easily, 40% of marks easily. That is called as formative assessment. Here, everything is depending on the practicals, what they are doing. Okay, next one is summative assessment. This is still the university has to give the pattern of question paper. So what the theory exam they are conducting for this subject. So when the student is going to write the theory exam, then he will get the 60 marks. Okay. So that is nothing but formative assessment and summative assessment. So next we have course contents in concurrence with Digital 101 on NASCOM 101 environment. Okay. So here, what are the course contents? Let us go through the course contents here. First, before going to the course contents, I already told you what is the first step we have to do here. We need to register in the website. What is the website name here? Future Skills. Future Skills. What is the website name here? Here you go here. Future Skills Prime. Okay, futureskillsprime.com. In that website, we need to register. So after that, so Future Skills course registration process. That is the first thing. That is the first thing. For this, I'll give the steps. In coming slides, I'll give the steps. Now let us discuss. That is the first step. After registering, we can access the module 1, module 2, and module 3. So first let us go through the module 1. This is where this module 1, module 2, module 3 presents. These module 1, module 2, module 3 are presenting Digital 101, which is in the Future Skills Prime website, which is on the Future Skills Prime website. So after registering, when you enter into the Future Skills Prime website, there you can find this module 1. So in the module 1, what are the sub-modules present here? What are the chapters present here? Artificial intelligence, database management, Internet of Things, and cloud computing, cyber security, all these things are present. So for each and every chapter, there will be a quiz at the end. 5 marks quiz will be there. Multiple choice question quiz. So after completing the videos and whatever the theory concept, theory and the images, whatever they have given, after going through all these things, the students has to attend that 5 marks quiz, which they have given at the end of each and every chapter. For that quiz, no marks will be awarded, but they have multiple times they can attend the quiz, okay, until they know the answers. So like this, there are 5 chapters in each and every module, and what are the number of hours? 5 theory hours and 10 practical hours for each and every module, same. And when we go to the second module, module 2, applications of emerging technologies. That is nothing but artificial intelligence, again, big data analytics, Internet of Things, cloud computing, cyber security. Okay, after complete module 3, when you go to the module 3, here also 5 chapters they have given. But in as of now, in digital fluency PDF, the contents of this module 3 they have not given, but only module 1 and module 2 contents they have given, and the topics also, detailed syllabus they have given here. So after completing entire module 1, there will be at the end 30 minutes test, final test. That is important. Okay, 30 minutes test, 30 questions will be there. So if the student attend all the questions, you need to score 50% of marks. Then only he will be awarded certificate. Okay, he can receive certificate. So for module 1 also there will be 30 minutes test at the end, and module 2, after completing module 2 also there will be 30 minutes test. They have to, after after scoring 50% marks in module 1, then the student can move to module 2. So module 2 test. Okay, so like this there will be 2 attempts. There will be 2 attempts for each test, for module 1 final test and for module 2 final test. So if they are not able to pass in 2 attempts also, again they have to, there is another procedure for that. Okay, in order to in order to attend the test again after 2 attempts, there is another procedure for that. So that can be discussed afterwards. Okay. So here the learning resources, in order to learn these things, you can go to the Digital 101 on Future Skills Prime platform. I told already, we'll get all these course contents in Digital 101. Digital 101, which is present on Future Skills Prime platform of NASCO. Okay. Next, we'll go to the pedagogy. Pedagogy is nothing but learning process. Pedagogy is nothing but learning process. How the students are going to learn, how to make the students to learn. So that is nothing but pedagogy. The faculty members, we have to instruct them before coming to the classes. They have to go through these videos and other resources, whatever the present in the Digital 101 on NASCOM, Future Skills 5 platform. Okay. So they have to go through that and they have to attend the quiz. All those things they have to perform, and they have to come and attend the classes in the college. And the classroom activities are designed around the topic of the session towards developing better understanding. So whatever the lecture we are giving to the students, the lecture topics should be towards developing the better understanding, clear misconceptions and discussions of higher order thinking skills like application, analysis, evaluation, and design. So every theory class ends with announcement of exercise for practical activity of the week. That means because here for each and every module, we know that according to this table, each and every module, for module 1 5 theory hours, for module 2 5 theory hours, and for module 3 5 theory hours. After each and every theory hour, end of the each and every theory hour, we have to give them practicals. Faculty members has to give them practical activity. So in that week, they have to complete that practical activity, whatever given by the teacher, and they have to record it in, they have to write it in record. The hard copy they have to maintain. Record hard copy they have to maintain. So that is pedagogy. Next one is assessment. How they are giving the assessment. There are 2 types of assessment there: formative assessment and summative assessment. Formative assessment, totally it is practicals, depending on the practicals, how the students are performing, how they are understanding by going through the videos on the website, whether they are maintaining the records or not. All the things, after observing all these things, we need to 50 marks will be there for that. For module 1, 25 marks, and for module 1, module 2, and module 3, in all these 3 modules, including all these 3 modules, we have 50 marks. Okay, totally 50 marks. That is called as formative assessment. This is entirely depending on practicals. Next, we have summative assessment. University will conduct the theory exam. After giving the question paper pattern, they will conduct the theory exam. So students has to attend that theory exam, they will get remaining marks there. Okay, that is nothing but summative assessment. Summative assessment. So here, see, we will go through this. In addition, after completion of all 3 modules, students will be given final assessment with the 30 questions, 30 minutes on digital course and future skills platform. Students will have maximum of 2 attempts, and those who score at least 50% marks will get the certificate from NASCOM. Those students who score more than 50% or equal to 50%, they will get the certificates. Below that, they may not get the certificates from the NASCOM. So next we have, now let us go through the registration steps. How to register in the Future Skills File platform, NASCOM's Future Skills File platform. So step 1, Future Skills course registration process. How to register in that website? Let us go through this. First, to open the home page of NASCOM, just click on the link and copy and paste in the browser. Just you need to copy this link, whatever they have given here, https://futureskillprime.in. Just you copy this link and put it in the Google engine. Okay, Google search engine. So click enter. So now home page of that particular website will be opened. Okay, the home page of that particular website will be open. In second step, what is the first step we are doing? In first step, you need to type this path or type this URL, website address in the Google search engine or in URL. You need to paste it. Then when you press enter, home page of Future Skills Prime website will be opened. That is NASCOM home page will be opened here. On home page, click on sign up. You need to click on the sign up in the NASCOM home page. See here. In the second step, what we are doing, after entering the website address, we'll get this home page. In this home page, you need to click on the sign up button, which is on the top right corner. You need to click on this button in order to enter your login username and password. Okay. So after that, in step 3, what we are doing, in second page, you start the registration process by clicking on the login tab. Okay. So here, in the second page, 1 minute. So when you are in the home page, either you can click on the sign up button, or you can click on this button which is present at the bottom of the page, that is called as start learning for free. Either you can click on this, or you can click on the sign up button. Anyone is fine. So when you click on that button, automatically you will be directed to the second page. You start the registration process by clicking in the login tab. So what you need to click here, click on login with your email and password. This is the second button. There are 2 buttons here. First button is Apple login. You don't click on that. You click on the second button here. It is easy. Click on login. What is the button name here? Login with your email and password. Click on this button. So it will go to the next page. Click on sign up and create account using email ID and tick checkbox. See, in the next page, what we are doing. This is in the next page. Step 4, what we are doing. In step 4, we are entering the observe here. In step 4, click on sign up and create account using your email ID and tick checkbox. Here, there are 3 ways we can create our account. In 3 ways, we can create our account here. First one is, if you are existing member, if you are already created an account in this website, just enter first name, just enter your email ID and password. Otherwise, if you are a new user, just click on this button. This button is nothing but creating a new user. When you click on this button, it will ask you first name, last name, email ID, username and password. So enter that all these things and just click on the checkbox. So that your credentials will be received by the website. Okay. So that is one way of registering, entering into the website. And another way is also there. Another way is, if you don't want to create a new account by entering all these details, you can go through the Google Gmail account. Through the Gmail account also, you can log in into this website, and through the Facebook account also, through Twitter account also, you can log into this website. Usually people will use the Gmail account, Google account, in order to log into this Future Skills Prime website. Okay. So that means here there are majorly two options are there. One is creating a new account. You can, if you don't have Gmail account, directly you can create a new account. Otherwise, if you have Google account, just go through the second button. If you have Facebook account, just go to the third button. Click the third button. If you have Twitter account, click the fourth button, like that. Okay. So I have given here detailing. So 3 options are there here. By using 3 options also, you can log into this website. And the next step is post your, let us go here, post your registration. A verification email will be sent to the registered email. So when you enter your username and password, when you click on the OK button, what this website will do, this website will send a verification mail to your email ID. Okay. So what you need to do, you have to check your email to accept the message sent by the Future Skill Prime website to verify the email ID. So whatever the message you received in your email, you should click OK on that in order to verify. So next step, open your email. Whenever they send some verification email to your email ID, open your email and confirm your email address. Okay. They will verify whether your email address is genuine email address or not. So for that, they will send the email message to your mail ID. So you need to open your email and you need to confirm it by clicking on confirm your email address button. In the above page, you need to click on confirm your email address button to verify your email ID. In order to confirm, what you need to do, you need to open your email ID, and you when you received the mail from Future Skills Prime website, you need to click on that on the button which says confirm your email address. When you click on that button, automatically your email will be verified. So once you confirm your email ID, fill in the details as shown in the image clip. So once your email ID is confirmed, it will give another page. What is another page here? In that page, you need to enter your details. So what are the details it is asking? First name, last name, next one is email ID. And click on the checkbox. So after clicking on the checkbox, when you click on the next button, it will give another page. In that page, what you need to enter? Fill all the details as shown on the screen and click next. So here also some of the details it is asking in the next page. That is date of birth you need to enter, gender you need to enter, city, state, country, mobile number, phone, pin code, everything you need to enter. So after entering that, click on the next button. It will be there at the bottom. Okay, you need to click on the next button. When you click on the next button, it will go to the next page. You go to the next page. What is the next page here? In that next page, you need to enter some more details. What are the details you need to enter here? Current occupation, education details, and click on the checkbox. Click on the checkbox and click the next button. Click on the next button. For each and every page, there will be next button. You need to, after entering all the details, you need to click on the next button. Okay. So when you click on the next button after entering the education details and all, so it will go to the next page. Select any 3 knowledge areas of your interest and click complete the registration. So in the next page, what it is asking, it will give some 10 areas, 10 areas of 10 IT areas it will give. In that IT related areas it will give. In that 10 areas, you need to select minimum 3 areas. Minimum 3 topics you need to select. I have selected cyber security, web and mobile development, and marketing, artificial intelligence. So these 3 things I have selected. Must and should, you need to select 3 things here. If you are selecting 2, it will not allow you to go to the next page. Must and should, you need to select 3 things here. After selecting that, click on next. Click on next. So what will happen here? So log in on Prime and start your learning journey on future technologies and professional skills. So now you are in the future skill Prime website. Okay, in this website you entered into the home page of the, that is the learning page of the future skills Prime website, that is NASSCOM website. So here different courses will be available here. Different courses will be available. But as a student, as a degree student, Bcom BCA or BBA. So what you need to do here, when you enter into this page, this course page, when you enter into this course page, after registering all the details, when you are in this page, which is displaying all the courses, in order to select according to your university syllabus, you need to select the digital 101 course. You need to select the digital 101 course among these courses given by the NASSCOM. Among all these courses, so many courses are there in this page. When you enter into the NASSCOM website, learning page, so you will be having so many number of courses will be there. But what is the course we need to go through? Digital 101 course. So in order to select that digital 101 course, sign in on Future Skill Prime, and this will be your first screen. Click on groups on the top. So what you need to do here now? So this is the Future Skills Prime, that is first screen. When you, after completing your registration completely, after entering your details completely and verifying your email, everything is completed, it will be directed direct you to the learning page of the NASSCOM or Future Skills Prime web page of the NASSCOM. So in this web page, we will be having many number of courses. We don't want all the courses right now, because we are the Bcom related or BBA, BCA related degree students. We need to select degree faculties. We need to concentrate on digital 101 course, which is introduced by our Bangalore North University. That's why we are searching that course. In order to search that course, on this screen, what you need to click? We need to click, I have shown you here clearly. On that screen, you need to select the groups. You need to select the groups. You need to click on the groups menu or groups tab. I have shown here, Harama. You need to click on the groups menu. see here, let's get started with digital 101 course. Sign in on future skill prime, and this will be your first screen. And this is the first screen. On this first screen, what we need to click? We need to click on the groups. We need to click on the groups menu. So after clicking on the groups menu, it will be directing us to next page. So then click on other public groups in the next page. What you need to select in the next page? You need to select in the next page this tab. What is the tab here? Other public groups. First, what we did actually in the previous page, what we did in the previous page, we selected groups. In the main page, we selected groups. So after clicking the groups, it will go to the next page. When you go to the next page, what you need to select? You need to select other public groups. Other public groups. So it will go to the next page. In the next page, we have some 6 courses are there. In that one, 6 groups are there. In that groups, we need to select join. Then please join at campus to corporate group. Which one we need to select? There are 6 groups in this page. In this 6 groups, we need to select campus to corporate group. So when you click on this, what will happen? So it is going to the, so again that page only. We are clicking on the campus to corporate group. Hence now you start the course from module 1. So now when you click on the campus to corporate group, it will show all the courses related to the digital 101. All the modules related to the digital 101 course. Okay, all the modules related to the digital 101 course. Here, digital 101 module 1, that is nothing, digital 101 course modules. What are the modules here? Module 1, module 2, module 3. 3 modules are there. And after completing module 1, you have final test. And after completing module 2, you have final test, like that. For module 3, there is no, still they have not introduced final test. For module 1 and module 2, they have introduced final tests here. Okay. So this is how we are registering into the future skill prime website of NASCOM. So many steps are there, but now we'll quickly once again we'll come from first step now, because so many steps are there. No, we'll discuss from first step now once again, because many of them have some doubts when they're registering this website. So what we'll do now, just to go quickly through this registration process. That is future skills course registration. How to register in the NASCOM's future skill prime website. What is the first step here? What is the first step? Just copy and paste this URL address. Copy and paste this URL address in the address bar of your browser or in Google search engine. Okay. When you copy and paste this link in that Google search engine or browser, automatically it will take you to the home page, sign up page of the NASCOM, sign up page of the future skill prime website. So when you go to the sign up page, there will be a sign up button. Otherwise, you can click on the start learning for free button, which is at the bottom. There are 2 buttons here in the sign up page. What is the 2 buttons here? In the top right corner, we have sign up button, and down we have start learning for free button. You can click any one of the button. When you click this button, you will be directed to next page. What is the next page contains? When you go to the second page, you will find 2 buttons here. Apple login. Next one is login with your email, and password. Almost all the people are selecting this second button, that is login with your email and password. So it will take you to the next page. It will take you to the next page. So it will take you to the next page. What is the next page we are getting after clicking on that button? So this is the page we'll get after clicking on that button. Here you can create a new user, or you can go with the Google account, Facebook account, or Twitter account. So if you want to create new user in this website only, without using Google account, go for the first button. When you click on the first button, it will give all these text boxes. What are the text boxes? It is asking first name, last name, username, username, and password. When you enter all these things, it will, and after entering all these things, there will be a checkbox. When you click on the checkbox, it will create a account for you. That is for new user. So suppose new user don't want to go for this create new user, then you can go through the Google account as well as Facebook account as well as this Twitter account also. Yeah. When you click on this button, Google account button, it will go to the Google account. There you can enter Google username and password, so that it will take you to the next page. Take you to the next page. So when you see here, second option is create new account button, which is indicated by green. Those who freshers to this website. Third option is encircled by yellow color, which contains 3 buttons: Google, Facebook, and Twitter. We can use any one of the option for logging into website. Usually people use Google account for logging in. So post your registration. That means before your registration, the NASCOM will send Future Skills Prime will send a email to your mail ID. You need to open your mail ID in order to verify the email. So you need to open your email and confirm your email address. Click on the confirm your email address button. So it will confirm. So your email ID will be confirmed. So next, after that it will give next page. In that page, you need to enter first name, last name, email ID. Click on the checkbox. Click on the checkbox and click on the next. So when you click on the next, it will ask some more details. That is date of birth, city, gender, all those things. After entering all these details, click on the next. Click on the next. You will go to the next page. So there, it will ask some more details. That is current occupation, education details. Click on the checkbox and click on the next. Again, it will go to the next page. So in that page, it will ask you learning interests. What are the interests you have in which areas you have interests? Just to select 3 options here. When you select 3 options, automatically it will be going to the next page. In that page, this is the main page, main learning page of NASCOM. In this page, we have many number of courses will be there. All these courses not only meant for students, it is meant for professionals, it is meant for some other people who are aspirants who are interested to learn some courses. For them also they design. But for us, we need digital 101 course. For that, what we need to do, we need to click on the groups button, groups icon, groups button or tab, which is present on this page. When you click on the groups, it will go to the next page. There in the next page, you need to select other public groups. You need to select other public groups in the next page. After selecting the other public groups, it will give 6 groups. In the 6 groups, you need to select campus to corporate group. You need to select campus to corporate group. So when you select the campus to corporate group, Now the digital 101 modules will be opened. Okay, so module 1 will be we are selecting module 1. So this is the page which shows all the modules which are present in the digital 101 course, which is prescribed for Bcom BBA or BCA courses from the university. So all these modules and whatever the tests they have given, the students has to go through all these modules. So this is how we are registering in the Future Skills Prime platform. Future Skills Prime platform. Okay. And if any queries while registering, if you find any difficulty or any problems, you can send your message to futureskills@nascom.in, connect future skill prime at mail.nascom.in. Okay. So many email addresses they have given. You can send the messages for these mail IDs in order to clarify your doubts. Now let us discuss the practical and assignment work given to the students during module 1. So first thing what we need to do, the faculty members as to the teachers or lecturers, they have to group the students into the groups of 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3, and discuss the above exercises before submitting the same. So that means faculty members has to create the groups of 2 to 3 students of the in first year become students, and they have to assign the practical work after completing each and every chapter. They have to assign a practical activity for the groups of the students. So here exercises to assess understanding of the concepts. Some exercises they have to assign this. Along with the practicals, there will be some exercises as well as assignments. These things also we need to assign to the students. But these things, no need of writing in the record. They can write the practical assignments in the records. I have specified here, students should write in the record. Okay, practical assignments. See here, using any popular search engine, Google or Bing, type any word in the search box and note down the automatic suggestions that are being displayed. Note down how many of these are topically relevant and related to current affairs. So this type of practical activity, one activity should be given at the end of each and every chapter. Okay, so that they have to finish in that particular week. They have to find out the answer and they have to write it in the record book in that particular week. So after completing each and every theory hour, we have to give the practical assignment to the students. Okay. So like this, we have 8 practical assignments for the artificial intelligence for the first chapter, and we have second chapter in the module 1, that is database concepts. Here also 2 lab sessions are there. Okay, we can give the 2 lab sessions for the students after completing this chapter. And the IoT, they have these are all small lab sessions only, lab activities. They can complete within 1 hour or half an hour. So such type of activities, so we can give together both these activities in that week. And IoT concepts, Internet of Things concept, based on that also we have some exercises they have done along with practical assignments. 2 assignments are there. And cloud computing and IT service models. Here also we have lab sessions. Clearly I have arranged here. And cyber, for 5th chapter also there will be exercises and practical assignment using computers. That is for module 1. And now practical and assignments were given to the students during module 2. Here also we need to group the students in 2 or 3 numbers. So for each and every group, we have to give the practical exercises and practical assignments in module 2 also. Here also I have arranged the chapter-wise practicals and exercises, lab sessions. Each and every chapter is having lab sessions. We have to give these lab activities to the students and make them to write in record. So here one thing is that is DigiLocker. It is also one of the website where we can, it is a cloud related storage area where we can create an account and we can store our documents, important documents, marks cards, PAN card, Aadhaar card, everything we can store in this DigiLocker account. We can upload our important documents in DigiLocker account. So this is also one of the important practical assignment for the students. They have to create the DigiLocker website. They have to create an account and they want to upload their details in the DigiLocker account. So this is one of the important activity. They have given steps also. So this will come in second module. So these are all some of the practicals. These are some of the practicals will come across module 1 and module 2. So all these practical assignments we need to ask the students to write in the records, and the same thing they have to submit as a hard copy to us. Okay. So this is the overall. So what are the things we learned now? What are the things we learned in this video? So here first thing is we learned what are the where exactly the course contents they have taken for digital fluency. They have taken this digital fluency course content from NASCOM website, that is Future Skills Prime website. When we register ourselves, our students or faculty registers themselves in the Future Skills Prime platform, they can able to get this syllabus, this course content, which is present in the website. So it contains digital 101 course contains 3 modules: module 1, module 2, module 3. As of now, in PDF there is a syllabus for module 1 and module 2. And after completing module 1 and module 2, students is going to attend the final tests, 30 minutes each. If they score more than 50% in test 1 and test 2, they will get the certificates. Maximum 2 attempts will be there for each and every test. And after that, we learned how to register into the Future Skill Prime platform. I have given steps how to register in the Future Skill Prime platform. Okay. And we come across the practical activities also. I have listed down separately for module 1 as well as module 2 practical sessions separately. Okay. So all these things we come across in this video. Okay. I hope you got some clarification regarding this subject. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like this video, like it and share it to your friends. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you all of you. Bye.